mutual fund investor, would you like to know what is NAV in mutual fund? Are you curious to know how is NAV calculated? Mr. Hariharan, our financial expert is demystifying what is NAV and how is it calculated. Hari, over to you.
Okay, so essentially when we talk of NAV, net asset value, so every scheme that it invests, so if it is investing in stocks, every day the price of the stocks will fluctuate. So whatever assets you have minus the liabilities gives you the net assets. So the asset part of it can go up by virtue of the markets going up. So the value of the assets will keep increasing. The liabilities could be in the form of the money being given to the investors who have put the redemption. So net of all that, plus the expenses that are there in terms of managing the funds, all of those are calculated and they arrive at the net asset value. So it's a function of the change in price of the asset, the expenses, of course, the operational expenses, all of those are factored in, the fund management expenses are factored in, and all of that is considered and arrived at the net asset value.
If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now. Bye.